A BioBlitz is an effort to inventory all the organisms, all the living species usually in a defined geographic area. It's usually a protected area of some kind, a municipal park, a national park. In this case, we're working in New Brunswick's 10 largest protected natural areas. There isn't actually a hectare on the planet that scientists can point to and say that we know every species of fungi, green plant, and animal that occurs there. So we've got about 11,000 hectares here at Grand Lake Meadows, so the task is really an impossible one, but we are trying to cover as wide a variety of taxa, of plants, animals, fungi that we can, and we're trying to provide a baseline for future monitoring of both these sites and the larger New Brunswick landscape.
Mosquitoes aren't that bad today. They were a lot worse the last couple of days. BioBlitzes are usually pretty short. This one here in New Brunswick is 10 days, and I've been really excited to be involved in this.
I think that every single species on the planet is very important. So if it's a very tiny gastropod or an ant or something else, every single species is important, and it's important to protect every single species. So that's why we come out here and want to see what we have here to already know what biodiversity exists.
So when I'm out in the field, it's like I'm a child again, but it gets a little bit more sophisticated when we get back to the lab. We're screening all these amphibians for chytrid fungus, which is a disease that's been wiping out entire species and driving major population declines around the globe.
Well, this is my first BioBlitz, and I'm incredibly amazed by this experience. The experience I've gained and what others are gaining from being around other biologists in different fields, learning what other people are doing. The actual collaboration between biologists, and also you have a lot of senior biologists, a lot of biologists that are very affluent in their field, and then you have a lot of younger biologists such as myself, or students such as myself, and we're learning an immense amount from these veterans.
I have an opportunity to work with and learn from some of the best specialists in their own respective fields. I have an opportunity to further my education through professional development as well, and I have an opportunity to gain hands-on empirical experience by doing field work and by doing lab work here at the BioBlitz.
The entire BioBlitz program is laid out as a 20-year project. We started in 2009. So we still have a good ways to go, but this is our third protected natural area that we're finishing up. Especially I want to thank our participants. It's always a challenge to raise the funds for this program. We've had the support of the New Brunswick Wildlife Trust Fund right since the beginning, since the first BioBlitz was run in 2009. We're very grateful for that, but it is every year a challenge to find the funding that we need to do this.